Hey everyone, I hope you're having a good day. So in this video, I've heard a lot about LeetCode and a lot of programmers actually praise it. They say it's actually very good for your data structures and algorithms. You actually improve your coding skills. I have heard a lot of good things, but personally I've never really tried it myself. So in this video I thought alright, when I like if I explored myself, how about I create a video and so other programmers can see how we get into lead code and what sort of challenges we face. So this is the link. I'll click on the first link. Let's see what happens. All right, so I'm on this page now. It's like a home page. It looks really decent. A new way to learn, start exploring. A very good UI, to be honest. So I love the UI. I really love the UI. So they have some code in C++, Java, Python, and when I click on running, and there you go, we have a result. What about this one? Again, the same result. So, seems like a good one, Fabianchi. Let's try Fabianchi. Let's try JavaScript because that's our background. And there you go, 11235. Cool. What about Python? Uh, Python code is dude, I mean, I don't know why, a lot of people say Python code is very easy to understand stuff. I feel like it's not structured at all. It's like you define a function, like, for example, if I click here, you define a function. And functions started from here. I mean, depends on the space you have, you know. If you start from here, and that's not a part of this function. It's weird. In JavaScript, it's more structured. Like you define a function, then you have curly braces, and then inside of the curly braces you have your code, which is more structured. And I can understand what is going on, you know, like variable created. I I'm not saying that I can't understand what is going on here, but dude, JavaScript is more structured to be honest. Okay, let's create an account. All right, so let's create an account. Let me see if I can log in with Gmail. I can do it GitHub. Okay, let me authorize. It will take some time. Well, before you start attacking me about Python, well, it's a very good language, so I love it. You know, peace. Okay. Hi, lead coder. What brought you here? Um, both, I guess. Which option best describe your coding skills? Well, I would say advanced. Choose the topics you are interested most. TypeScript, React, what else? Well, I'm interested in machine learning as well. Okay, machine learning, database as well. But I feel like it will just, get data structure as well. Okay, I'll not select like all of them because I love database as well. Software testing as well, app development. But okay, this will actually just, make a chaos or a mess. So I'll just go with these. Okay. Start your lead code journey. So what is this? Uh, okay, this is some Excel implementation. Okay, so these are, I think, some questions. Okay, I'll join this. Join this as well, and join this as well. Okay, so it seems like maybe as we use Reddit, so it's more like a subreddit, I would say, like groups on Facebook. All right. Hmm. Okay. So we have a study plan. We have arrays. We have status, title. Okay, let me just go down for a while. Okay, these are, I'm assuming these are tasks. So they have a title for the task, like do some. Okay, what if I click on do some? Okay, so it says introducing dynamic layouts, unleash your potential with an immersive and flexible coding environment. Uh, Which one should we choose? I mean, I got this is better. Code editor. Okay, what is this? Customize your coding skills by dragging part. Okay, no, I don't want to do it. Okay, we can resize, maximize. Okay, what is this? Okay, settings. All right, so we are in the code, and it is C++. So I can change the language to JavaScript. Okay, we have do some. Okay, what is the task? Giving an array of integer nums, which is this, and an integer target, which is this. A return indicates indices of the two numbers such that they add up to target. You may assume that each input will have exactly one solution, and you may not use the same element twice. You can return the answer in order. Input, okay, the answer is 9, and I'm not sure why is that 9, okay. 0, 1, because num 0, okay. Okay, so what we need to do is, we have an array, right? And we have a target. So in the array, we have a lot of elements. For example, if I console.log nums and target, and if I click submit, it says verify. Uh, Successfully signed in. All right, now that my email is verified, let me refresh. So you see it's verified. Let's go back to the code, and if I click on submit, oh, not submit, run. Oh, sorry. Okay, submit is like submitting your code, and run is like for testing. Okay, so we have input as this. Okay, okay. So this is the error that we have, and the target is 9, right? So we have to find two numbers that actually will sum up as 9. So we have 2 and 7 sum up as 9. So the easy solution would be if I say return nums 0 plus nums 1. Okay, so this will work for this case, right? If I click here, it will pass the case 1, but it will not pass other cases. Okay, what does it say? Uh, okay, I don't know why. 9 is not valid value for the expected return. Okay, so I think it does not even pass the first toast. Weird. Oh, okay. So we don't have to return the 9. We have to return their places. So if I say, for example, now I know that this is the numbers, right? So if I say like 0 and 1, their positions, and now if I run, okay, what is the error now? Unexpected number. Okay, let me read again because okay, this is yeah. So now I got the result. So we have to oh, return an array. I was returning an object. So the thing is, we have an array. We have to find their numbers. Like for example, the target is 6, right? For case 2, the target is 6. So we have to get the index 1 and index 2. They make up 6. But we don't have to return 6. We have to return their positions, right? So the case 1 has passed successfully. Yes, it's working. But the case 2 is not working. So we have to make it like dynamic, right? So if I make it 1 and 2, case 2 will pass, but on the case 1, yeah, case 2 passed, not case 1. So we have to do something that will Hmm, interesting. Okay, so let me get the like num1, for example, nums 0. Okay, so we have got num1, okay, right? For example, I'm assuming that it is 1. So we have to see if there is any other number that is less than the target. So if I say if num1 plus nums, okay, I have to run this for loop on the array for let I is equals to 0, I less than nums dot length I plus plus. Okay, and then inside of the for loop plus nums I is equals to target, then return the, okay, okay, interesting. So we need this position and this position. Now how do we find the position? Um, I think we have index of, and I can say this, and then I can say, okay, this will not work. I know why it will not work, because it is again static. It is just for num1. We have to make it dynamic, but I just want to test if it will work. Yeah. Okay, let's see what happens. It should pass case 1 at least. Okay, it's not working. Why? Because um okay, I think index of is not what we need, right? Like I don't know how do we, like I don't know what is how to check for index, how to find specific. Okay, this is what I said, right? This is exactly what I said. Um, okay, I think I have to say doot. Let me see how to use it. Okay, yeah, because we have given this, but he's not the one with the array. Okay, I have to do an array as well. Okay, case 1 is working. Okay, now the case 1 is working, but again, the case 2 and case 3 not working because the position is on. Okay, so for that, it's it gets complicated. Um, okay, we need to update this, I guess. If I make one, will that work? Oh, okay, how does it work for both of them? Uh, okay, what if I make it 2? Okay, no, that does not work. Okay, how is that? Okay, I said num1, which means that it will get the value of 7, right? And then 7 plus, oh, okay, 7 plus the first one. So it's just the, the opposite, the opposite. But for this, we usually do, okay, so we have to make this dynamic somehow. I think I need to use for loop again, which will take for the first and then for the second. Let j equals to 0. J less than nums dot length j plus plus. And then inside of this, let's go here. I need this for loop inside of this. Let me remove this so it's more okay. Okay, now we have this. Let me just get this inside of the for loop. Okay, let me just name it num, not num1, num. Okay, this is j. What do you think? Will it work? Okay, case 2 is not working. Okay, why not? This, let's see. Okay, so I'm getting the first one from here, 0, and then it checks for 0. So 0 plus this, 0 plus that, 0 plus that, and it does not return. Okay, and then when it does not return, it plus 1, and then checks again, and then again. Okay, I don't know what is the error now. Okay, what is this? And what is, if it does not exist, then I can just say this. Okay, it says n is okay. There's an error. Okay, case 2 is not. Okay, the output is 0 and 0 for some reason. Okay, what about case 2? Again 0 and 0. And what about this? 0 and 1. Okay, let's see what happened. Why do we get 0 and 0? Okay, let's say we have an array. Let's go to case 2. Let's put this array here. Right? We give j the value of 3. And then when it goes here, 3. 3, it checks for... Okay, I think... Okay, we don't have to get the same number, right? Oh, okay, got it. Because it actually adds the same number, so we have to make it 1, right? For example, we have to skip. So, okay, here's what is happening. So first it starts with j, and it gets the value of 3 from this, from 0 index. And then when it goes to I, it goes to j again, This is a problem. So what we need to do is, in this loop, we have to skip this one. Okay, let's do it. If j is equals to I, j is equals to, if not equals to I, then run this, otherwise not. Okay, now we don't even have the first one. Nice. Okay, the output is 0 because j is not equals to 0. Okay, j is not equals to 0. Sorry, wait. On the 3. Okay, this is wrong. Nums j. There's a sign. Ooh. Okay, now let's see what happened. 0, 0. Okay, just is fine. Or press 1, 2. But here it's not fine because it goes to 0, 0 again. Okay. Why did it skip in this one? Uh, because 3 and 3 was making it, no? Okay, now let's check for this. So we have 3, 3. Okay, so if j and I is not equals to I, then run this. Oh, yeah, but it is updated, right? No. Oh. Oh, dude, 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 dude. There is a bug. So it is actually getting it, but then index of function works in a way that it actually catch where that element is and gets the first index of it. So this is the error that we are doing. This is not how we do it, right? This is not how we do it. So we have to like do not really use the index of. Ah, wow, dude, that was not sick. Okay, let's do something different. Let 1 is equals to 0 and let 2 is equals to 0 for now, right? And then go down, like I have to change that. So if I say 1, then I can say, okay, what am I supposed to do? Wait. So I have this, right? Okay, I mean, I can, wait, why do I have to look for this? I can just do this, no? Let's make it I. This worked? Yo, what the heck? Why was I using that index of function? Dude, weird, weird as fuck. So, so it was very fun doing it. It seems like LeetCode is a very good place if you're a programmer. It was like very brainstorming. Like it really, uh, like it made me think. It was very good. So this is how we do it. I think I'll be exploring more. So I'll make a lot of more videos on my YouTube channel. Please hit the subscribe button, notification icon, whatever you want. Just do it. And I'll be creating more videos like these. We have a new playlist. The playlist name is Exploring the Web. Let's see, provide the links and demos of those websites. As you know, AI is like growing very fast. So we'll try to get the best use case of AI and provide the demos in my videos. So hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.